Hi, my name is Phil Sohn, and I'm a lead program manager on the family safety team. Let me share with you a little bit of the work we've been doing for Windows 8 to make it super easy for parents to set up and monitor what their kids are doing on the computer on the internet. Let's see how that works. So let me start by showing you how a parent would create an account for their kid. I'm going to create one with a Microsoft account, but this would work just as well if you created it with a local account. After you create the account, everyone will get this checkbox. Is this a child's account? Turn on family safety to get reports of their PC use. All you have to do to enable family safety is you check that box and you're done. That's it. Now let's switch over to Mail, and I'll show you an activity report I've got for Timmy from an account that I already had set up. You can see here we bubble up the most relevant info so you can tell at a glance really what Timmy's been up to. You can see here's a list of the most popular websites he's visited, as well as a list of what he's searched for using Bing or other popular search engines, the amount of time that he's used on the computer each day, as well as the most used apps and games, and any store downloads that he's had in the last week. Now, right from the activity report, we can go and set up limits. So even though he had a LAN party on Saturday, 23 hours a day is a little bit much. We might want to restrict that down a little bit more. So we can click on Set Time Limits in the activity report, and this is going to open up the browser and go to familysafety.microsoft.com. And from here we can turn on the time limits and restrict them to 1.5 hours on weekdays and 3 hours and 30 minutes on weekends. After you make these changes, they get synced through the web to whatever PCs Timmy might be using. Now let's look like what this experience will be like for Timmy. When Timmy comes along and uses this computer, he will sign in, and first he'll get a warning that he's got 15 minutes left. After this, he can close this. At this point, Timmy's used up all his time for the day, and he has two choices. He can either get more time from his parents, or he can turn off his computer for the night. So those are the new family safety features in Windows 8. We think they're going to be great both for parents who want to restrict what their kids are doing, as well as for parents who just want to monitor what they're doing to make sure they make the right choices. Be sure to check out these features in an upcoming milestone for Windows 8.